I'm Dr. Matthew Skinta, and I'm excited to be coming to Porto Alegre in April to offer a 2-day workshop that I hope will benefit both you personally as well as your clients and your work. You see, anti-LGBTQ bias has been on the rise around the globe. Brazil is no exception. We know that individuals who are struggling with their sexual orientation, their gender identities, or who are simply struggling with the bias and discrimination that they receive from others often turn to psychologists for help. And that therapists are products of our own culture, that we also bring bias into the room, that we have topics related to sexuality and gender that we're uncomfortable approaching, that we're uncomfortable talking about, or questions that perhaps we don't want to ask ourselves, so we're uncomfortable sitting with them with clients. I hope that this will be a deeply enriching workshop. The goal of it will be not only to think about how you can apply contextual behavioral strategies to alleviate the impact of minority stress, but also to consider the ways that therapies like ACT and FAP encourage us to look inward, to consider where we stop ourselves, where we stop our clients from going, and holding space for both of us with compassion. So I look forward to seeing you there. Thank you.